In the heart of nature, where survival reigns supreme, two legendary snakes face off for the ultimate battle. The king snake with its venom, speed, and agility versus the mighty anaconda, known for its crushing power and immense size. Today, we dive into their strengths, battle strategies, and what could happen if these two reptiles went head-to-head. In the heart of nature, where survival reigns supreme, two legendary snakes face off for the ultimate battle. The king snake with its venom, speed, and agility versus the mighty anaconda, known for its crushing power and immense size. Today, we dive into their strengths, battle strategies, and what could happen if these two reptiles went head-to-head. In contrast, the anaconda uses pure power to its advantage. One of the largest snakes in the world, it has no need for venom. Instead, it relies on its overwhelming strength. By constricting its prey, the anaconda suffocates it with intense pressure, making it an unstoppable force in the wild. But what happens when the battle takes place in different environments? In the forest, the king snake thrives, using its agility to navigate through trees and foliage. However, in the water, the anaconda has the advantage, using its immense size and aquatic skills to ambush its prey. The environment could be the deciding factor in this clash. So, what happens when these two snakes actually meet in the wild? Though rare, there have been recorded encounters with mixed results. Some experts suggest that the king snake's venom could potentially be a factor, while others argue that the anaconda's sheer power is too much for any snake to overcome. Herpetologists have long debated the outcome of such a fight. As we conclude, it's clear that the battle between the king snake and anaconda is unpredictable. Each has its own set of strengths that could tip the scales depending on the circumstances. Whether it's the king snake's venom and agility or the anaconda's sheer power and constriction, nature's battles are often defined by survival rather than victory. But remember, it's all about balance in the ecosystem, and both of these snakes are essential to their habitats. So, who do you think would win in this ultimate battle? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching.